Hello, we are Tash and Brada. We are converting this Peugeot Expert into a camper van. So this is going to be the carpeting series. We've done a little bit of carpet already just to get the feel of it, get the hang of it. So we're going to take you guys through the process. So today we're going to do the 2 doors because we are going on a mini camp tonight. It's going to be our first camp and we're going to take you guys along with us for the night as well. That's going to be at the end of the video. First things first and the realest. We've done the ceiling, which was nice. We've done the side there. We just got to tuck this behind here, and then, like I said, do the doors
and cut out that light.
Yeah, and cut out the light, which is there. So the carpet we're using is from Vandalized, and I got that from eBay. It's actually the barley color. Have a look. So it's the barley color. Let us know what you think. Complements the floor, complements that. And the glue we're using is Trim Hold Higher Temperature Adhesive, and that is by Vandalized as well. See at the bottom. This is not sponsored at all. We're not professionals. We're just cracking on and saving a few bob and digging our teeth into a DIY project, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which has been fun. If you haven't seen the rest of our series, go back, watch some videos. We take you through most of the process, what we filmed. Like the windows, for example, the insulation under the floor, on the side. Yeah, so let's crack on with this. And yeah, let's go.
Well, I'm trying to create like a little divot with my finger so I remember where to cut to.
Alright, so we're gonna cut about 1 centimetre under that edge there, you see it?
Just so we can tuck it.
So under this edge, so we can tuck it in there. Okay, so as you see, we've done the top. I'll show you how we did that. Tash is just going around and we trimmed it down to there already, as you guys saw. But as we're going along, we're just trimming a little bit more depending on how much we need. So see these poppers here? Obviously there's a popper. So obviously we had to take a little bit more off compared to there. To get it in so it don't hit the popper and it actually goes in. And then I just get this purdy knife. You need something like this just so you can poke. I definitely recommend a purdy or something similar, because you can even use this side and really work your way across without ripping it with this side. But this side is perfect. Just being slowly intricate, just pushing it in bit by bit. Okay, so we're going to change our minds a little bit on the carpet on the side of the doors. I don't really think this colour, this like barley colour on the side of like the sliding doors here and here are going to be any good. Do you know why? Because they're exposed to the elements, and it's going to look all choppy because end of the day you can't cover over this sill. Meaning wherever this sill touches on the door, you can't carpet. If not, you're going to have leaks and everything. So it's going to be like a channel in. So you open the door and it's going to look like carpet metal up here. And that's just going to look a little bit disgusting. So I think eventually what we might do is, well, definitely is clean up the doors, the silver, and just leave it silver. Because that's what's on the outside of the van. When the doors are open, it's just going to look weird having carpet on the back. So you just gotta wait for it to go tacky, and then we'll work our way around, make sure it's nice and tight, and then just slowly work it up. Yes, it's tedious, but you just gotta do it basically, bit by bit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to tuck that, it's fine.
We worked our way up. We had to take out a couple of the screws on the plyboard. But all I did, got the purdy, and just slowly worked my way up, jamming it in, done the top piece there, and that's how it's looking so far. So with this side, we need to trim that down, and that's gonna get behind that trim there. By the way, Tash is going to screw this in now. Because we might be screwing through carpet because it's tucked in. Just take it nice and slow. Keep it taut like the carpet so it can't pull anywhere. And just take this drill slow. You might have to pull the screw out and back in. So one sec. So really push there so the carpet can't move. Just take it nice and slow. Just nice and tight. There you go. That carpet is not moving anywhere now. Quick update. We've done the sides now. Have a look. Look at that.
Stunning, babe.
Stunning. We've done that side as well. Now we're just doing that. But before that, I want to cut out this light because this is depressing me. Nothing there. So, there you go. Take that. Let's get it cut. Right, where was this hole?
There.
Where?
There.
Get it up. That's the light done, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just that little gap there, but...
It's alright. Ready? Yippee!
Hey.
I'll tell you what, guys. Carpeting is absolutely mind-numbing. Oh, heard the thunder. We got thunder. Luckily, we ain't got lightning here at the minute, but we definitely got thunder in my bockies, maybe in them bockies as well. As promised, here is our first night. We're gonna show you tomorrow morning as well. We're near the New Forest in where are we? Near Lymington.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're near the New Forest, near Lymington, Hurst Castle. We've been here before, if you've seen our videos before. We're at like a free park for night camp spot. But look, have a look around, this is our setup. Sleeping bag. Tash is editing on her laptop. You got Tash and Brad up there. Got the Jackery. So, tomorrow morning we'll show you a little bit more about our camp spot. We'll see you in a second in the morning. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
And good morning, me and Tasha woke up. It's about 8:30. I know, a little bit late for us, but we decided to lay in a little bit. Oh, just got an inflatable pillow. My neck is absolutely killing me, but that's okay. It was a decent night's sleep. Now it's time to wash ourselves. Tash, how are we washing ourselves?
A baby wipe. And just goes to town. Just wipey. We've got deodorant with us. So obviously we'll put the deodorant on over the top. We're probably going to use this to wipe our butts as well. Don't watch me.
Okay, so we've wiped our butt, we've washed our butt, we've stuck on deodorant. We're ready to go for the day. We might actually swim in the sea. We'll show you that, guys, that in a minute. Yesterday we turned up obviously late because we was doing the carpet. But we're just gonna make ourselves a nice cup of tea, a couple of boiled eggs. We've got a couple of croissants from Lidl. We'll show you our breakfast and then we'll get on with the day. Just chill out, not too long. This is not what the video's about, but it's just a little bit of extra. Oh, it's beautiful. Sunny England, van life. Our first night in van life. How did you sleep?
I actually slept very well. The main thing was I was not cold at all. And I was on a really nice springy mat. So to be honest, absolutely perfect. I think just the inflatable pillow, it's not really my vibe.
Yeah, the inflatable pillow, what it does is it's too hard. Anything inflatable like that, it just lifts your head up like that, and it's just awful, god awful. But we'll just use a normal pillow. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. The bed's comfy, it's just the pillow at the end's no good. Might even cut it off eventually, to be honest.
Yeah, because
And castle. Let's just get behind a rock because it's so windy. All right, that guys was our first night camping. It is absolutely beautiful here. The Isle of Wight is over there. Hurst Castle is over there. And I don't know what town that is, but that's over there. Maybe Hurst, I don't know.
I think it's Milford-on-Sea.
Oh, Milford-on-Sea. So we're probably gonna head to Milford-on-Sea. There is toilets over there. If there ain't, we'll just walk to Hurst Castle. Yeah, that was a good experience, and that's what we're gonna be doing in the future. Camping around, maybe traveling Europe, traveling England for sure. We just need to perfect our setup a little bit. A couple of boxes just to clean it up, make it easier to move stuff around rather than bag after bag after bag and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But it was really, really good. I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, so did I, yeah.
All right, now what we're gonna do is try and find a pooper somewhere. And yeah, leave you guys to it. This has been Tash and Brad. This is the start of maybe a new camper series. We're still going to be traveling other places around the world, taking flights, don't worry, because I want to get on a first class flight at some point.
Oh!
Yes, I'm
Treating us,
a first class boy. But yeah, we'll see you soon. Take care, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and ciao, adios.